Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. How are you guys? I hope everybody is fine. In our last video, we have showed the recipe of how to make red sauce pasta. And I also told that in our next video, we're going to show how to make white sauce pasta. So here we are with the recipe. As you saw, we had kept half of the boiled pastas from our last video, so now we are using those boiled pastas. First, we are going to heat up some butter and then add 1 tablespoon of maida to it, and then keep on stirring it very nicely to create a thick mixture like this. Like it should have at least this type of consistency. Then we have 1 cup of milk with us, and we are going to pour little bit of the milk and keep on stirring it until we have a mixture like this. And then we are going to add more milk, the rest of the milk, and I'm going to add very nicely with the mixture so that it mixes equally with the mixture. No big crumbs should be there and should be mixed very nicely. After that, we can start by adding some salt, and then chili flakes, black pepper, and oregano. Then we are going to mix it all together. This is so yummy. You should try it. After that, we are going to add our pasta and then sausages. Actually, I love this. This is so yummy. You guys should try it. This is so must. I love it more than red sauce pasta. This is super yummy. I will tell everyone to surely try. You will be amazed by the taste. I was like, wow. I hope you like it, and bye bye. Ma salama.